Hello. Okay. Marcos at thecanary.com. El subject CCM underscore 1705-2. 2017, May 2nd fortnight. And this is the data I want. Then underscore report. Send. Okay, let's reverse engineer all this. Let's go to Excel. This is the important information I need for every fortnight, where in the columns we have the project, and then on the rows we have the people. CCM ASP is Anton, Marcos, Miguel, Chicho, Joaquin, which you can see that it's not properly done. But fortunately, Joaquin is not working anymore. Grand total, which then will go into the zero, and in here we have a time slicer, and we just decide where to put. So where is the report coming from now? And if we go to the Excel spreadsheet, we have all the people, the headers, and this. So and the projects in the description. Now this Control Shift S, so file, save as. We go to our Google Drive. Google Drive, CCM audit, time tracking, and here we call it 17, CCM underscore 1705-2 underscore report. Okay, it will be only 1705-1, 1705-2, 17061, 17062. So for first fortnight, second fortnight, and the fortnight goes from, I'll show you graphically, from the 15 to the 31st, and from the up to the 50 for end of the 14 from the first. Okay, so this will be the we copy this, Control C, go to Google, let's send this to Marcos, Control V, subject CCM underscore 17051 report. Marcos at canary.com. All right, now let's keep reversing engineering. So we have this, and from where do we take this? Easy. If we go to the calendar, if we go to studio, okay, this one is studio at the Canary, so you have permission for that. Then we have all the calendars, and we need to check that the text goes as per our intranet, right? So this, for example, is wrong. Vatia Beach operations. No, it will be operations in the calendar. Vatia Beach VV underscore GCB, Gaston Castro Vienier. So this is messy and this is useless. This is perfect. This is the name of the project exactly as it is shown on the server. So if I go to the server, production, okay, so we have a number, we ignore that, 42-44.c.a. That is exactly what has to go in here. But people will do it wrong. We'll put it in here, this no dot, in here is no dot sometimes, in lowercase. So what do? We go to the page gtimereport.com, and we log in with the studio with the credentials. Now then we use select all. Probably compliance is a calendar for compliance, and this also is irrelevant. And this compliance also irrelevant. But then we have all the calendars we want. This calendar is wrong, so we just remove it. CHT, CCM, 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 CCM. All right, so what do? We just come and select the dates we want. We wanted the report from the 15th to the 31st. And then in output we want English Australia, English Australia, English American Australia. Okay, then what we do is create Excel report, and it will create an Excel report. So it's gonna download it in a minute. Yeah, and it creates this report. Now what happens, the first step once we have the report is that we need to clean the time, because people are very messy and they don't do it right. So we just create a filter on the headers, and on the text we'll see now what's happened. Okay, so you see 10 to 14 stem or row, 10 14 stem or row. Well, you select this is the same project, this is the same project, it's just written in the wrong place. So then we filter and we find one that is written properly, this one. Okay, and we just copy to the rest. Oh, boom, clean. Now it will only show one project. Then this is okay. This is the same project. So this is written properly. Bam. So it will show now only once. Now 36 Bishop Street is the same project. So we come here and we come here, is the same project. Then this and this is the same project, and we clean the same project. Okay. Okay. So now, and then we have no more projects on this of this. The rest is Batia Beach, which is wrong. We're gonna ignore it for this, because this should be CCM, should be admin, or should be marketing. On the, if it's not a project, so straight the name, it should be the name of the department, and then the details in the description. So we can select this. We go to insert pivot table, and in the pivot table we have on one column the text, on the rows this one project goes on the columns. Okay, so projects is actually called text, and and this one CCM is actually called project, which is the calendar anyway. And then we click on duration, we put it in values. So it comes the tricky part. This by default will be counting the instance of the input of values. So we come and we set the value field settings, yeah, and we set to sum. And the number format, click in here, go to custom, and in the custom, go to there's one that has hours in brackets, and then minutes. Yeah, this one I think. Okay. Okay. So this number has to be the same as this number, and now, voila, we can see all the hours that have been in 10 to 14 stem or row, and who is doing what. And also we have the totals per person and the totals per project. That is all the information I need at this stage. Okay, and I want this in an email. Just the only thing we need to do is copy these cells, Control C, go to Google, create a new email, compose to Marcos, and we name the report CCM underscore the date of the report, which is 1705-2. That means is the month of May on 2017. The second fortnight underscore report. And I want everything spelled exactly the same, because we're gonna create a rule in Google calendar. So this, I just glue the report, send. Okay. So then when I receive the reports, it's fantastic. Go see exactly what do we need to what do we need to pay to the we need to charge to the clients. That is all we need. Okay. Thank you very much.